What is going on, everybody? It is Fitz Miller and Fitz Miller back here with another video. I just said that because she has my hat on. Hey. It doesn't look that bad. It almost looks better on you. But anyways, today, guys, we have a bunch of stuff to get into. We got to open our surprise box from Alex. We got to raise the front of the skyline. And then we're meeting Ryan at his apartment for taco night. Give you guys a nice little hizzy tour. Little squad hangs with Danny and Ryan. So first, we're gonna open this package and then we gotta get some lunch. Let's do it. I don't know what's in this box. I got a DM from Alex and he was like, hey man, I need an address to send a care package to. Anyways, I don't know what's in here. We're about to find out. You guys ready? All right, we got one large t-shirt. This will be Emmy's.
Thanks.
We got one XL t-shirt. I still don't know what they look like, but I'm excited.
Just smacking it down. I've been holding mine.
We got a whole ass... he was not joking when he said dead on care package. We got two, count 'em, two die cuts, two more die cuts.
Ooh, that's so cute, actually.
More
of look
the
at
coolest
them.
stickers.
This is so cute. This reminds me of Never Content. Oh my gosh, this is so cute.
All right, what else?
What is that? Is that one of his mirrors?
Yeah.
Shit,
Oh
Fitz is gonna be a hot boy. I have the other version of your mirror in my car.
Do you actually need that on here?
No, it's like an eBay one.
Oh,
hold on. I wish I was filming one, but he realized that it says Moonstruck. He said like, oh, what does it say on it?
Alex is the actual man,
It says,
dude.
hold on.
I don't think you can see.
Like, that's so
need
cool.
batteries, dude.
Okay.
Oh my god. All right, hold on.
Film it.
All right, so Emmy's opening the shirts now. I'm super hyped after seeing the mirror. I want to see the design of the t-shirts.
Oh my god, it's a cute little thing.
So it looks like it's the same as the other little sticker we got.
It's so
This
cute.
is
I'm gonna try this on.
freaking sick. Alex, I don't know if you designed these or if you have an artist or if you teamed up with Never Content because it looks like the same art, but this whole thing is absolutely amazing, dude. First of all, I didn't expect anything except maybe like 2 t-shirts. That's literally what I expected. Everything else was a surprise that he threw in. We need to find some AAAs for this mirror at some point in this video, dude. Oh my god. Thank you so much, Alex, if you're watching this right now, for the care package. And you guys be sure to check out Dead On and Alex on Instagram. This is not sponsored, dude. He literally just was like, hey, we're hooking up the homies. So thank you so much, man. Alright, so here's a better look at what Alex tossed in the best care package I've ever gotten. I think the only care package, but the coolest care package nonetheless. Shirt, little wheel on the Lexus, dude, baller. Try fucking harder. We got the classic Dead On. We got the yin and yang, smaller version of the printed shirt, and then we got a slap. And then the mirror, dude, I finally got batteries. Hey, you guys ready for this? Alright, yeah, cool. My last one was blue, but you ready? Not only does this thing change colors, it's like programmable, dude. Look at this. Oh my god, dude. Shout out to Alex. This is actually the coolest, nicest gift I've gotten, dude. Thank you so much for everything. Emmy? Emmy's already wearing a new shirt right now.
It's cute.
Oh my dude. That was quite a way to start off a video.
Yeah.
With basically Christmas in May. Let's go get some coffee. Let's get some lunch. I'm starving. We picked up some lunch and some Dunkin' large iced caramel coffee with extra cream and sugar. Emmy got a peachity drinkity. What is this thing again?
It's a
Peach coconut refresher thing. It's pretty good. It's kind of like artificial peach, but it's like peach candy. For lunch, we got Mickey D's.
We're just being such good Americans right now.
Mickey D's, fries, 10-piece nuggies with ranch. So that's what I'm gonna be yomping down here in a little bit before I raise the front of the skyline. So I'll see y'all in a minute. How would you do it, Emmy?
You're not filming.
I am filming right now. Emmy, how would you say?
Hey vlog!
What do you want to tell them?
For lunch today, I'm having... I'm yomping down the...
Somewhat. What are you yelling up and down?
The peach colada. No, it's not a colada. It's a coconut refresher.
All right.
You're so in my face.
All right. First things first. Before we raise this thing, we just have to. This is needed. Yes, sir, dude. Support the friends who support you. Also, we gotta do one more thing. Alright, let's get this thing out of the garage, toot up the front just a little bit, and we're gonna be having that Hot Boy Gray Fitment. You guys ready for this? You guys ready? It's not gonna be quite as squatted as Gray's, but I need to be able to drive this thing without it scrubbing, so let's do it. Here's a little sound clip for y'all. Now, whether this is the correct thing or not, my new favorite jack point is my tow hook. It makes it so easy to jack this thing up from the front, and then I just pop the jack stands under and we good. And just like that, we got the car in the air safely. I think I'm also gonna try to crank my preload really tight to stiffen up the front end a little bit. I think I'm at like 10K, 8K or something, a little too soft in the front, so we're gonna see if we can adjust that. Raise this thing up. Let's dive right into it, boys. All the rings kept moving individually, but this side is almost done being raised. Then we'll put it back on the ground and go for a drive. Let's do it. All right, it's not a whole lot higher, but it should be enough just so where we don't rub. So I'm gonna let this thing warm up and then we're taking it out. I hate seeing myself with large shirts. They just look too small. So we're putting on Alex's extra large so I don't look like a dork. Dude, the sleeves, so much better on an XL. You see this? The length, it's not like at the top of my shorts. All right, non-dork Fitz, and you guys are ready to go out. So far, I've noticed 3 things. Number 1, how great this car sounds. I guess 4. Number 2, my sick new mirror. Number 3, this is not scrubbing or rubbing. And number 4, this car was last aligned before I lowered it back down for the 18s. So basically just refix my alignment, if that makes sense. But let's go explore, dude. It's a beautiful afternoon, kind of cool, crisp afternoon. Let's go to downtown and see what's good. In case you guys are wondering, this is the POV to what it's like driving a Skyline. It's pretty sick. Very grateful. I don't have a hand to shift with. Hold on. And we good. Hell yeah, dude. This thing sounds so good. Alright, listen, you guys gotta stop with the gas crisis. Alright, you guys are doing this. There's a car without gas right there, and there's literally another one, like, right back there. You guys can't see it, but at least I got gas, man. Ooh. I could be so rowdy in this car, because it sounds so good all of the time, dude. Oh my god. Alright, boys, what do they say? We outside? We outside. Excuse my hair, I went with the windows down the whole time. But look, dude, there's like a perfect little picture spot. There's like more just slide land over there. I basically, if you guys are wondering what I do in my free time, it's usually just mess with the car and explore. So I've never been here before. It's the first time, dude. That little sign said something about Krispy Kreme donuts. I'm all with this place, man. Let's see what else we can find. POV, you guys are the passenger seat. Alright, we're gonna slow down a little bit. I made some friends. See if they wave. No. We have another one. Hell yeah. See if they'll do a little pull. Goodbye, friend. See, dude, this is why I love just driving around. Always running into cool shit. Alright, boys, it's time to go to Ryan's. We got a lot of Ryan's stuff, as well as his care package. Got him some Bud Lights, got him some Annie's mac and cheese, and his other stuff, his cooler, his clothes that he left. We gotta get an octane booster, get some gas, and then go to Ryan's. Let's do it.
Promise you guys, I didn't get the sedan for no reason. No reason. Oh.
Alright. That works. We're skipping the whole gas thing. I think we'll have enough, at least to get there. But dude, check this out at night. Oh my god. I'm gonna have to.
From right.
Thank you, Siri. I'm gonna have to catch myself not staring at this. It's like, ooh, ooh,
At the next light, turn right.
ooh. Like the Gucci song. Alright, we're here. Alright. Ooh. Oh, this is definitely one too early. We got the car all tucked away, and let's go say hi to Ryan. I'm ready for some tacos, dude. What about y'all? What up, man? Take two. It wasn't focused. We got Ryan the Bud Lights, you already know. Some Fresca and some Annie's mac and cheese.
Yeah.
That's about it. All right, man. Let's go get some tacos. Oh, God. All right. Let's get some tacos. Just real quick, we did have to carry all the luggage up 3 stories, but it is a very nice place. So I'll let Ryan take it from here when we get upstairs. All right, dude. I think this is a step above the Virginia apartments.
Yeah.
Faux show here. All right, hold on. Let me take my shoes off. Whenever you're ready, man.
Basic walkway with nice closet.
Very deep, very deep.
Here we've got the living area.
Very nice.
Room, couch, got a fireplace. I still got stuff kind of laid around right now. But shelves, pictures, fan, which I
Yes,
didn't have,
dude.
but I
No
did
ceiling
have.
fan in Virginia.
Dining room table.
Okay, I like it.
The kitchen.
This is actually probably my favorite part about this apartment.
Yeah, it's nice and
is
open.
because it's a good sized apartment, and then you have a giant ass kitchen as well.
Yeah.
So
This is my favorite part. There's a microwave,
okay.
and it's a convection oven, so it cooks it like an oven,
So-
except like twice as fast.
So it's like an air fryer, but an oven.
Yeah,
it's like an air.
also-
It's like an air oven.
An air fryer.
Yo, dude.
It's like crazy.
I'm living on Ryan's couch. The turntables have turned. We got a Hot Wheel wall, and then a nice cozy little bedroom.
Yeah, bedroom's a little dirty, but
Well,
yeah.
this is awesome, dude.
Yeah, I'm putting a bed up there.
Dude, for little
For
Carson.
anybody that stays.
Yo, I call it
Bed
the top
up
bunk.
there with a ladder. And it's
Yeah.
got a railing on it.
Hell yeah. All right. I will see y'all when Danny and Braden and Tacos arrive.
Yeah.
You got anything else to say? Oh, Ryan also got a Laurel.
Oh yeah.
I forgot I used to update y'all, but
4 to 6 weeks, Laurel Landing, 2K21.
that's actually insane.
Yeah.
We'll be going to Florida. Keep an eye out for the future video. See you guys there.
Yeah. If you guys need any help, let us know, please.
Danny and Danny 2.0 have arrived. We're waiting for Braden, Stockton,
Brady
CC,
said he might not come.
maybe not Braden, and Tacos. Tell us what's going on.
We're gonna go see this like sick ass lady driven E93.
E93. If you guys are familiar with our friend CC.E93 and Stockton.E46, it smells like dog piss out here.
Stockton.E46.
I know, you guys can't see there. Hold on. Yo! We'll see y'all at the car. Hello? Greetings? Hello? Greetings?
We need
Yo.
more light.
You better air out right now. Yo!
Oh my god.
Oh my dude. Bro! Alright, that's actually... That's sick. Alright, you said you're adjusting the fronts, right?
Yeah.
I'm so happy with it. Yeah, that looks better than the picture.
Well, we actually recalibrated it
Yeah.
earlier, and I think it might have made a difference.
Yeah.
This came out so good. Dude! Proper trunk setup. All done by Stocky Boy. Ryan, this looks a lot better compared to yours, for being honest.
3 gallon compared to a 5 gallon tank?
So.
What?
Oh my god, dude. Oh my god. Look at these. Dad, yours is already gone.
Yeah.
Danny, how is it?
Pretty good.
Ryan? Stockton is easy?
Dude.
Gas? I'm about to dive in. I'll update you guys in a little while.
We're at the spot, the trap house.
We're at
This is the trap house.
Cookout is now the trap house.
This is where I get my drugs. I'm getting a cheesecake with chocolate chips.
I got a caramel fudge.
I'm a fudge.
Caramel. Shaky shake.
Caramel. We gotta pay. Fuck.
All right, Ryan. Have a good night, man.
Good night.
Good night.
Good night.
Good night, Danny.
Good night.
Goodbye, Danny. We have no gas. We're on E, so we're gonna see if we can make it home. I think we'll be fine. It's been such a day, dude. It's been a very, very awesome day. Congrats to Ryan on moving in to his new apartment. And once again, thank you, Alex, for everything, all the little gifts. I will end it with showing you the rainbow mirror at night. So, here we go. All right, you guys have a good night.